Alright, so after you guys cleaned it all nice and clean around the headlight area, you want to put masking tape all around it so no sand, whenever you're sanding, it doesn't scuff the paint or anything. Just a little precaution. You don't have to do it. I've seen videos where they don't do it, but I'm just going to take that extra precautionary step and mask around it. Both headlights have been cleaned. So yeah, let's do another time lapse now. Alright guys, so I just finished masking both headlights, as you can see. This one came out a lot faster than this one and cleaner in my opinion. Mainly because I took off my gloves for this one because they were just sticking to my hand so much. So now we're going to get straight to it now. The moment you guys have been waiting for, let's get straight to it. So you're probably wondering why I closed the hood. Well, mainly because there was white stuff from the sanding that was falling into the engine bay. And I don't know if that's good or bad. So I ended up just closing it, you know, safe. It's better be safe than sorry. And this is how you want to have it. This is 800 grit, wet sand it. Keep it wet every time you're sanding it. It's pretty hard doing it by myself. My hand is tired. It's a good forearm workout, guaranteed results. But yeah, you see I don't have any more scratches. It's just drying up at this point. So we're gonna go to the next grit. I think it was 1,500. And we're gonna sand that down. I haven't done it on this side, so we're gonna do a compare and contrast. A comparison. Why did I say contrast? I still think I'm in school. And we're gonna see how it looks. Alright guys, so I finished the 1,500 grit on both sides. I am done with everything. Now I'm gonna apply the 2,000 grit. And then we're gonna do the polish. Alright guys, so I finished doing the 2,000 grit on both of these just by using the sandpaper alone. It's gotten so much better, clearer. Right there. That's a dab right there. I haven't wiped it yet. We're gonna see this side now. Wow, that looks amazing. It's 2 times better. No, not even twice as better. I don't even know. But wow, it's amazing. It looks super clean from both sides. Let's do it before and after if I can find it now. Alright, I'm gonna wipe it down. Let's see how it looks now. Alright guys, you guys ready for the grand reveal? Dun 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 dun. Look at that, bam. That looks really nice. When I was taking out the tape, it made it look like it has little eyebrows. Hey, you know how cool it'd be if my car had eyebrows? If I wrapped my car and gave it some eyebrows, you know how funny that would be? Comment down below if you guys want me to do that. Or I'm just kidding, I don't know if I should. It's my daily and my project car, so I don't know if that would be the smartest thing to do. But anyways, comment down below if you guys want me to do that. But yeah, oh my god, the headlights look amazing. I've never seen them look this good since I got it. So this is how I was talking about. Changing the headlights right here. Here, just focus right there. Or maybe they're still good. Maybe a little bit dull compared to the headlights. These aren't as bad, but I might still do them. And I want to tint my windows. I'm gonna do that myself as well. And oh, the card thing is still looking pretty good. The paint job I did myself, I gotta just clean it. The car's looking super dirty now. So yeah, besides the headlights look clean. But come on guys, you guys got comment down below if he doesn't look like he's like smiling now with those eyebrows. And I need to find the logo of the Eagle. This is not the original bumper apparently. This is another bumper. Maybe this one didn't come with the Eagle, I don't know. But all the other bumpers I've seen of this model, it has the Eagle in front of it. So I don't know, maybe the previous owner changed the bumper, or I don't know. I don't think he could have taken it off. So yeah. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial or whatever. That was my little tripod right there. Two cans of paints. A weird looking thing, circle vase with another vase inside of a bonsai tree. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys next time.